Greetings, Matthew here from Cove. Thanking you for booking your stay with us. This video is to show you how to get to the property while highlighting some landmarks along the way. Cove is on Crescent Beach Resort, located about 10 minutes from the town center of Ocherius. You may use the timestamps below to move to different sections of this video. I will also show how to enter your access code and how to use some of the amenities. Here we have the 8 Rivers Town Center. Here you can get cash from an ATM. There is a KFC, a pharmacy, a supermarket, a cafe, and other stores. This gas station also has an ATM machine, so if you miss the first ATM machine over by the 8 Rivers Town Center, you may use that one. You are almost there now, so you may want to start slowing down and put on your left indicator. The driveway is a bit steep, so keep that in mind. If there is no security guard at the gate, you may toot your horn to get his attention. He will ask you for your identification, so tell him you are a guest of Unit 20 and show him your ID. Each guest must show their ID. The security guard will make a note of your name and return your ID. To find Sharm's Cove, go down these stairs and keep left. This way leads to the front door where you will enter your access code to enter the apartment. Now that you have found unit number 20, you want to go ahead and tap the keypad to awaken it. After that, enter the access code and tap the house key. You should hear the sound of the door unlocking. To lock the door, you simply long press the house key. The door will also auto-lock 10 seconds after it is closed. Now let's take a quick look on how to use the amenities, starting with the electric stove. You first want to switch on the electricity here and then switch on the stove. As you probably can guess, the red light means it is on and ready to be used. Please switch off the electricity after use and be sure to turn off the stove. The kitchen is stocked with a microwave, utensils, pots, pans, electric kettle, refrigerator and freezer, and hot water. To use the hot water, switch it on here and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the water to get warm. Electricity is very expensive in Jamaica, so please turn off the water heater, electric stove, and AC when they aren't in use. Thank you for your cooperation. In the closet, you will find a safe, clothes hangers, an iron, and an iron board. There is a hairdryer and a first aid kit in this medicine cabinet. And now for the highlight. You have full access to this swimming pool and the beach. These lounge chairs and floats are for you during your stay. They are to be used only by you as they belong to Unit 20 and not the complex. We do hope you enjoy your stay with us. Don't hesitate to send us a message if you have any questions.